of experiences for all ages. So don't be shy. Ask one of our friendly Dolphin Bay team members for more info before you leave Dolphin Bay. Trust us, you don't want to miss out on the chance to make some fantastic memories. Thanks for joining us today. We can't wait to welcome you back for more aquatic adventures soon.
All right, now this is going to be our curtain call. We're going to watch our superstars go one last time, and that's Soul. Next up, we have our racer, Blade. And now let's hear it for S2 and Lennox. We're going to watch our superstars go one last time. We're going to witness some high energy behavior. Once again, put your hands together for Soul, Blade, S2 and Lennox. Alongside their incredible trainers today, we had Kira and Steve. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, do you enjoy that? Yes? Who'd like to take a selfie with one of our dolphins? Some of us? So we have a selfie session happening.
At Aquaventure World, we contribute $1 from every marine experience participated in by a guest into projects which drive conservation projects, such as studying local dolphin populations in the wild with the UAE Dolphin Project.
Studying dolphins in the wild can be difficult, but technology like these tags can help us understand more about these animals. They capture data such as location, depth, temperature, and even speed. Tags like these are non-invasive and stick to the outside of our dolphins. We train our dolphins to wear these tags to educate our guests and for future research projects. Currently, right now, you're seeing Soul and S2 wearing the orange tags. Let's give Soul and S2 a round of applause.
We hope you've had a whale of a time at our dolphin educational presentation today. We take the best care of our animals here at Atlantis. However, in the wild, there are many threats they face every day. One major threat is pollution from plastic, chemicals, and discarded fishing nets. Let's watch our dolphins demonstrate what can happen if they encounter discarded fishing nets. That's right, they can get tangled and even injured. Pollution affects the lives of all marine life, but you can help. You can reduce your use of plastic or ensure you recycle the plastic that you do use. And if you see plastic on
And put your hands together for our superstars and their trainers.
Get ready for a backstage peek at one of our most asked questions. How do we train our dolphins? Here at Dolphin Bay, it's all about positive vibes and rewards. When our dolphins do something right, it's a big yes from us. No punishments here. If they make a mistake, we just brush it off and bring little to no attention to it. But when they nail it, oh, you better believe it's party time. We reward them, and to keep things always interesting and enriching, we use a large variety of rewards with dolphins. We can give them toys to play with or feed them. Wow, look at the dolphin's speed. This behavior is called a fast swim, which dolphins use in the wild to catch fish.
Pretty fast, right? Now, we're going to move over to a fun, exciting activity. I'm going to choose one kid to come and join me. We're going to race one of our dolphins. Come and join. So that every interaction supports their well-being. Building this relationship, our dolphins choose to interact with their trainers by engaging in their behaviors, engaging with enrichment, or simply interacting calmly. Strong relationships take time, consistency, and care to build. Today you're seeing the outcome of teamwork between trainers and dolphins built on respect and care. These connections between our trainers and dolphins are truly extraordinary.
As a testament to the beauty and complexity of marine life. Let's dive into the fascinating world of human-dolphin connections. Throughout history, our bond with these playful creatures has been nothing short of extraordinary. But here at Dolphin Bay, we take it to the next level. Before our marine mammal specialists even think about training, they're all about building that special relationship with our dolphin pals. It's like making a new BFF, only with fins. So get ready to witness the magic unfold as we delve into the secrets of this dynamic relationship.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's pay close attention to the amazing relationship our trainers have with our dolphins. At Dolphin Bay, the bond between our trainers and dolphins is built on trust, consistency, and positive reinforcement. Trainers spend months and years getting to know each dolphin as an individual,
allowing us to identify individual dolphins with ease. Breathing, not an issue for these underwater heroes. Through their blowholes, they effortlessly draw in oxygen from above the surface, allowing them to dive and hold their breath for up to an impressive 10 minutes. Listen carefully. Can you hear them breathe through their blowhole? And here's a fascinating fact. Dolphins are the chatterboxes of the ocean, communicating through a symphony of squeaks, clicks, squawks, and whistles. Each dolphin possesses its own distinct signature whistle, creating a personalized language. Shh, can you hear them communicating with each other? So, as we continue on this educational journey into the dolphin realm, let's marvel at the wonders of these majestic